Bring in,
Gotta go.
yeah,
Okay.
bring in Glenn Prentice, Adrian. Also, we have Glenn Prentice here, ready for this case.
Good afternoon, Judge. Hillary Barrialos, P84478, currently on behalf of Glenn Prentice. Judge, I am...
Sorry, you call it on the record. I was just letting you know we're ready.
Sure.
I'm sorry. 250326 FY, People State of Michigan versus Glenn Michael Prentice. Here's the record.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Lord advised on behalf of the people.
Good afternoon again. Hillary Barrialos, P84478, on behalf of Glenn Prentice. Judge, before we begin, Mr. Prentice would like to represent himself with these matters. I have talked to him. I know we had asked for an adjournment for 30 days in order for him to find counsel. I spoke to him just about a week ago or so. He would like to represent himself, so I would like to withdraw from the case and put that on record and with your approval, Judge.
Keep it like as advisory counsel, but not representing the case. But, so you're going to represent yourself, Mr. Prentice? Is that correct?
I speak? Yes, Your Honor, may I speak?
Yes.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm here under Title 4, Section 1, Section 2, flag of the United States of America under the land jurisdiction, at no time relinquishing any rights guaranteed me by the Constitution and your oath of office to protect them. I have talked to the attorney, Hillary. She's a wonderful lady. However, I have sent in a notice that was received and accepted by not only you, but four other parties on or before July 7th. Did you receive that notice, Your Honor?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, and then what I don't understand, and I'm not sure, do I need, I don't know if the clerk, Michael McLeod, entered it on the docket yet. So can you let me know that it was entered on the docket? Because if not, I would like to read in for evidence this document. Was it entered on the document, Your Honor?
It's not on the docket, but we'll handle that at a later date. I'm going to set this for an exam. I know the defendant wants to.
Your Honor, I do not consent. Your Honor, we at the moment, there is no plea on my behalf or any jurisdiction on my behalf. I have been denied any due process whatsoever. What's in my notice is starting with number one is the nature and cause of this accusation from the court. I've received nothing. I asked for everything to be sent to me by this past Saturday, and it's Monday afternoon. I've received nothing from either.
Mr. Francis, give me 1 second. Ms. Alos, did you receive discovery in this case?
I just received the police report, yes, which that was sent over.
To him? Okay.
Where's the warrant? Where's the nature and accusation of the cause?
So you'll get all the discoveries since you're self-representing yourself. We're going to hold the exam. August.
Your Honor, I have a question, please. I asked when I was wrongfully picked up in Fenton. I asked again when I was brought to the jail, and I've asked the clerks at your 50th district for a copy of the warrant. All I've been told to date by everybody is that the warrant is on the computer. Why am I denied the basics, the rights under the Constitution to find my, the nature and cause of the action as well as the warrant? And further, the point, the major point of me getting a certified copy of the docket beforehand, which is very clear, and if you look at that docket, you'll see that it states that I had called 2 different times. There was a.
You can come down and do your file. So, any issues you have,
Your Honor, no, this isn't. Your Honor, I need to, sir, I need to get this last point on the record, please, for my sake. I filed, sir.
The exam will be August 18th at 2 p.m.
No,
You're
I'm not-
self-represented.
I
You're
object.
all set. Thank
I
you so
object.
much. Wow,
I am not being
continue.
cut off here. Your
Objection
Honor,
noted for the record. Thank you, Ms. Alos. Your
Judge,
motion
just
with
to be
cause
sure,
counsel is granted. Your
Okay, thank
motion
you. Just wanted
with
to make
cause
sure it was
counsel is
granted.
granted. Yeah, and then just get us an order over here
Thank you.
indicating such.
Thank
All
you.
right, thank you.
J.D. Thomas Nicola, 2607 CM 1687. That's for initial hearing. That's one.
J.D. Thomas Nicola.
Yes, clear.
Home address, please.
6050 West.
Looks like I forgot to edit that out, so we're just going to be on mute for a second. They go through all of his address real quick, and then he messes it up, which is why the judge just stopped him right there. But he gives his address, his phone number, everything. So we're going to just have it on mute for a second.
That's Laporte.
Date of birth, please.
Yeah, we don't need that either. All right, I think we're good.
You read, write, understand the English language.
Yes.
How far are you going to school?
Masters.
Are you currently under the influence of any drugs or alcohol?
No.
Please listen while state reads the charges for possible penalties.
Thank you, John. What about the 17th day of July 2026 in the county of Fort State of Indiana? Thomas Nicola did unlawfully, knowingly, or intentionally. Here, sir, there are two charges that are charged in the alternative. This means you could be convicted of one or the other, but not both. First charge, operated vehicle while intoxicated. This is a class C misdemeanor, punishable by up to 60 days in the Fort County Jail and a fine of up to $500. Alternatively, operated vehicle while intoxicated in a manner that endangered a person. This is a class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year in the Fort County Jail and a fine of up to $5,000. In addition to this, any conviction for operating while intoxicated is considered a major conviction for purposes of Indiana's habitual traffic violating statute and is further punishable by driver's license suspension.
You understand the charges and possible penalties?
Yes.
Are you planning to hire an attorney?
No.
You plan to represent yourself?
Yes.
All right. I'll go ahead and enter a discovery order.
Before, I'd like to make a statement. Article 6 of the U.S. Constitution, the supremacy clause, they're bound by it by law, and I want to get the court to acknowledge that fact.
Today, you're here for initial hearing. You're going to be advised of your charges, advised of possible penalties. You're going to have to inquire about an attorney, and I'll set a new court date.
I have a criminal injunctive request.
Questions be raised. You can raise that properly with a properly filed motion.
Yes, sir.
Also, you're to sign up for the track watch program. How much was the bond you posted?
$905.
All right, 300 of that will go toward your track watch. Dale's going to give you information on how to get that taken care of.
What's track watch?
It's a monitoring device. You're not to be drinking alcohol while the case is pending.
I'm innocent until proven guilty.
Correct.
So why am I having to be tracked?
Because you're not to be drinking alcohol while the case is pending.
Is that
I'm not going to argue with you, sir.
What
It's the
authority?
rule.
What authority?
My authority.
I
Local
challenge
rule
that
that's been
authority.
adopted by the
challenge
courts
that
of this
authority.
country. I'm not going to argue with you.
action.
I'm not going to argue with you. You're going to give the order, you come back, and show me you've complied. If you haven't, face the consequences of potential contempt. So, conduct yourself accordingly. I'll issue a discovery order. I want to make discovery available within the 14 days. New date?
August 24th at 1:30.
I was privileged from arrest on the day. I was coming home from court.
See you on August 24th.
17.